Llamas.
Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. Greetings from Thessaloniki. It's such a lively place. I mean, I can't get over it. I've been here for 2 days and it's such a lively place. I love it. I love it. And they have music everywhere. It's the coolest. See what I mean? You know, it's just warm and inviting. You know, Thessaloniki is the second largest city in Greece. Oh yeah, we're in Greece. We're in Greece. It has over 1 million people, so it's a big city, but it's not like this huge thing, you know. It's very walkable. It's very enjoyable. Like I said, very lively. Little noisy, but you know, all of Europe is noisy, right? What I plan for today is to do a walking tour of Thessaloniki. Something fast meaning like 2 hours. Yeah, I've been studying about it, and this is such an interesting place because this place is so rich in history. I mean, you have influence from the Roman Empire, from the Byzantine Empire, Ottoman Empire. I mean, all the empires were here. You see it in the architecture. So I'm going to show you a little bit of everything, including these things. What are they called? These are pigeons. Yes, pigeons. Alexander the Great is from here. Just, you know, like, all right, nearby. It's a fascinating place, and I hope you come and join me. So let's take a nice tour of this beautiful city. Oh, and by the way, I am at Aristoteles Square, and it's right by the sea here. I already got my travel ring. I've been looking for a Roman or Greek coin for the longest time, and I found one. If you guys are interested, there's a store just 2 blocks down. It's on the corner, not sponsored, but I saw it and I was like, ooh, I want it. It's a very popular thing to do here in Thessaloniki is to go to coffee shops. The first thing I do is go to a coffee shop. It's actually lunchtime, but let's have some cake instead. Let me show you what I got. Ooh, my favorite, an fruit tart and a frozen cappuccino. So my first stop is going to be a market. Look at all these motorcycles, scooters. Yesterday I was around here, I thought it was this one, which is a lovely building, really nice, but that's not the market. It's really huge. I passed by it yesterday, it's really huge. Okay, so this is the market. We're gonna go in there. Oops. The things are closed. Oops, it's like a band. Oh my god, where am I? Oh, beautiful.
What is that?
Something that is really popular here is ouzo. Look how many they have. That looks good. Ooh. Ooh. Very nice. Ooh, green. I'm in the shade now. It feels good. So you could do, wait, this way. You could do lots of exploring that way. I came from this way. There's a lot to see here. It's like something fun to do in the morning. Keeps going. More that way. And this way. Ooh. Oh, you have to try the Greek cheeses. Fantastic. Lots of variety. There's lots to see. And then this way, more. Oops. Lots more that way. I used to have these in New York. There's really good shopping here. I saw lots of really, really nice shoes and clothes and handbags and jewelry and you name it. Very nice shoes. Animal print is very popular here in Thessaloniki too. Snakeskin. So here I am at the ancient Agora of Thessaloniki. I'm always amazed at how these things are still here in a city. I think it's great that they haven't built here. This dates back like 2,000 years, you know. It's incredible. So I would think this is like typical stores on a typical high street, right? Or main street. Oh wow, look at that. Hey, that might be rotunda. It's round, it's a rotunda. You get tickets, let me ask. Hello.
Hello.
The admission is €2?
Yes.
Okay. Could I have one ticket, please? And you close now, right? Oh, it's 7.
No problem.
Okay, thank you. Got my ticket, €2. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And look, it looks like they have mosaics up top. And it has like gold. Very cool. So you could see it from the outside, see it's right there, but I think it's really cool if you go inside, pay €2 to support the arts and culture and the restoration of all these wonderful places. The sea is right ahead of us, right in front of us. Next stop. Towards the water. There's a nice breeze. I'm hiding here in the shade. That's the next stop. It's probably the most important monument here in Thessaloniki, the White Tower. It's so noisy. You can climb to the top if you want. They have 30-minute cruises. And here's a statue of Alexander the Great. He's a hero in this area because he was born not too far from here. So other things you guys can do here is take a boat. There are lots of them. You could also take the hop-on, hop-off buses, those sightseeing buses that are popular like all over. So you could take that too, but I just felt like walking, so you know, I like to walk. So you can see how people live, and you can see the stores, and you can see, like, you know, life. There are also lots of museums. There's the museum, well, lots of museums. You have to check it out. And we're at our last stop, hoppers. Look, and they have love locks on them. Look. I hope you enjoyed Thessaloniki. I really like being here. The weather is great. The food is delicious. much for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video real soon. I'm going that way. Bye.